Mucirithania wa Igoti Limuru kune kaunti-ini ya Kiambu niaugite Ekuirwo aria ni hamwe na maobithaa anene aria meriga kuhahithia atatu na ya kumaruta nguo kiganda-ini giukite brown cheese matigukorwo kana meguthii na mbere na kuhoria ucuru ya muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giukite kuria ihoya riao riria marageretie gukorwo magikeria mucirithania uria kwenda kurekererio na bodi rirakorirwo rikiregana nayo na kana barakorirwo akiregana nayo mamokite riri na cihoge itiganite cia guthaitira na makiria gutetera ihoto cia atumia irarunganite itemini ria gukorwo magia undu uyu Cira wao wathikiririo kiumia giukite
PM. This court will require time to go through the submissions by the prosecution counsel and the defense counsel before delivering a ruling. The court shall therefore deliver a ruling on the application on the 10th of July, that's on Monday, at 2 p.m. Both suspects will remain in custody at Tigoni police station.
I was able to bring the same file today. It's time to talk to the aggrieved party, the staff members. I talked to them well at the premises because tempers were a bit high. I'm going through that kind of traumatizing ordeal. I calmed them down and promised appropriate action. For a period of 14 days, but somebody came to allow investigation of the.
So you wanted
exact.
You wanted 14, some sold and replaced 7. In your evidence before this court, you want. So how many is what?
I wanted 10, but I'm not of the old DPP.
In this application, Chief Inspector Felix Mtua, who is the investigating officer, has sworn an affidavit. Felix Mtua has sworn an affidavit that is dated 7th July 2020.
Tugithina mbere na makirekererio cia urigitani thukuru